Hello traders out there in Traderland. My name is D7 here at Grok Trade, and it is Tuesday, May 29th, 2018, and the markets get rocked. The Dow down 391 points, right around 400-point drop. Yesterday over the weekend, I said watch for a big move, and we got it. It's happening right now. So taking a look here at the markets, everybody in negative territory. We're down more than 1% on the spiders and diamonds. What's interesting though is the Nasdaq's only down 0.44%, and the Russell's is barely down 0.14%. That is usually indicative of the markets not being as bearish as what it seems. However, financials sell off by 3.3%. That is a big time red flag. And if you look down here, crude oil down 1%, gold flat, silver down 0.6%, VIX fear increasing by nearly 29%. We're at 17. Bitcoin rising up more than 5%. And that's where we're at. The S&P 500 Spider ETF. Look at this, guys. We are dropping. Because of that, it's going to get a sell signal, and we not only do we get a sell signal here, it happened on big volume, guys, big volume on the sell side. Diamond, same thing, it's a sell. However, here's the deal, I'm putting a sell. Anytime we're in consolidation going sideways, the buy and sells are always going to be wrong. And you hear me say that all the time. Anytime you do buy and sells inside moving averages, they're going to be wrong. We're inside a symmetrical triangle. We're near a support area. That could bounce higher. Guys, with the Nasdaq and small caps, the Russell's doing so well, it wouldn't surprise me to see a bounce. But the problem is the financials, it's just bad. Here's the Nasdaq. Nasdaq, does that look bearish to you? No, it just doesn't look bearish. Because we're still between a couple lines here, I'm going to stay with my buy call on that. Russell's 2000, just a bull pullback. Look at this, just a bull pullback. My buy call, I'm still good with that. The problem is here, financials. Look at this. Bam! Come crashing down, breaking, and this trend line, see this support, broke that support, but this area support, this swing low coming across, that's precisely where it stops. We went down, came up and closed right at that area of support. We are flirting with death right now. Huge volume on the sell side, guys. This could be the start of a slippery slope. And I don't say that lightly, guys. Anytime the financials fall out of bed, and if you start to see this continuing to drop, the markets could be in for a significant pullback. So let's just keep our eyes on the technicals, because that is in the making. Dollar. I have a buy on it, and it continues higher. But as soon as it starts dropping below these moving averages, that'll be a different ball game. Crude oil, we called it a sell back here on the 23rd. Today we go down, touched our support line, that's our trend line, came up, and we hammer out. Because of that, I think we have a decent chance of getting a bounce. I'm going to wait because I think that we have so much economic news coming out this week, and what we're seeing as far as volatility is concerned, I'm not ready to put a buy on that yet, even though I am tempted to do so. Gold, I have a buy on. I'm going to stay with my buy. As long as we stay above this area of support, this is a real good area. It's real good for this. I need to see it go bullish going into Wednesday. If we on Wednesday go bullish, it's going to be a nice buy on gold. If we go bearish, I'd be looking to maybe sell it. Silver, if you look here, it's just all over the place. By looking at this, I'm going to put a buy now on silver. But again, we're inside moving averages. Don't put too much weight on these because they're just trash. Here is fear. The fear indicator is higher by quite a bit. A bad coin's up. I'm not ready to put a buy on it yet because we smashed resistance. If we can get back above this resistance, then I'll put a buy on Bitcoin. But until that, no way am I willing to do that. There's another line that I'll be watching. So that line, I have 2 areas of resistance that I need to get over on Bitcoin. Now these trend lines, guys, I only show you the basic ones. There's 3 levels and 3 different types of trend lines, and they have their own rule sets on how to set those. We do those in our training. It probably behooves me to show you that real quick. If you go to groktrade.com, just a couple things here. The trading mentorship, as you guys know, we don't advertise. You don't see us all over Facebook. You don't see us all over Twitter or Instagram. We just don't do it. People that want to get trained by us, they know how to find us. They find a way to get our training, okay? We do have information on that right here at Trading Mentors. If you're into day trading and that's something you're interested in, you can jump into our day trading chat room. We are killing it in there, by the way. So, I mean, we are killing it in day trading. If you just need help picking stocks, look at the Stock Picks V newsletter. If you just want to tippy toe into this, you don't want to invest in yourself or in any of these services, that's fine too. Go and take one of the webinars. We do these on a regular basis. Feel free to do it. However, you've been following us for a while and you would love to meet with Mark the Meerkat or myself just to talk shop, draw charts on napkins, and just have a chance to meet, go to the bottom page, fill out the form, and pick a location that you're willing to drive to. So that is it, guys. If you like it, We'll catch up with you guys later. Bye.